From my beginning, God cast His light of love as me. My soul longs to be in love with God as all of you. Hear me say, my heart is open. I see and feel God's love as you. From your beginning, God's Christ-in heart in love spoke you. Oh, now we all have come, souls from the ethers, our body temples made to celebrate God's love. From the beginning, God's plan to help us love as He created angels to serve, to light the hearts of those of all God's children made, souls from the ether.
This is Angel Message 10, given on October 4th, 2012. This can be considered the positive version of the October surprise. Because Jesus is with me tonight. Jesus wants to make another point and kind of explain how Nimrod, Marduk, also known as Lucifer and Satan, works and has over the eons. What he does is he takes the Christed image that is attractive to a positive angelic soul essence cast into the earth garden. It has extreme value. He takes the Christed image that soul essence is attracted to and twists it into a convoluted perspective aspect that basically feeds him and other demonic soul essences that reside in ANUNNAKI, reptilian humanoid vessels. You see this, he did it, so Nimrod, Lucifer, Marduk basically is Jesus' antithesis or nemesis. He'll take what Jesus teaches and twist it to serve his needs. And the dumbed down and misguided flock have no idea what's going on. Nimrod, Lucifer, Marduk staged himself as Jesus to Paul on the road to Damascus to twist Jesus' truth into generating a religion that idolized a twisted form of Jesus' teaching in the name of shame and guilt. Now, another aspect of how this works is the Anunnaki using Enlil, another Anunnaki overlord, staging himself as Yahweh, who is truly a wrathful God, demigod really, gave a twisted version of God's universal laws to Moses as the Ten Commandments that looked holy on the surface, but you can see what they generate. In the end, it generates war and corruption everywhere. In the eye for an eye, justified retaliatory kind of law. So back to how Lucifer works. Those who think that it's ridiculous that Barack Hussein Obama says that they're all like little slaves that couldn't do anything without the government or the system that they live under. What's happening is that Nimrod Lucifer Marduk is fusing with Barack Hussein Obama, his host head, and declaring that his system is worthy of being idolatrized because it is a perverted aspect of the Father's natural conditions of law that generate balanced, harmonious equilibrium. So what you see when Obama declares that you wouldn't be doing anything like you're doing without the government, what you're hearing is Lucifer saying you wouldn't be able to generate all of this disharmonious disequilibrium without my system. So that is a twisted perversion that is normal to what Nimrod Marduk as Jesus' nemesis generates. You see it all over the place now. Anyway, he wanted to give that little perspective because those commentators who are judging Obama for saying that don't realize that's Lucifer talking to them.